Good evening, everyone. I just got about 20 odd slides. Therefore, I decided not to do any presentation. Okay, so I'll save you the headache. Because we all talked about smart cities, and there's various definitions which are coming through for smart city. Let me put it a very simple way. The smart city is like this conference room. People who are actually trying to listen, they want to do something else. We are on the stage, we are trying to give them certain gyan, which they may or may not like it. Okay. There are organizers who want to actually bundle everyone together so that we get the best of the knowledge for everyone. So these are all desperate information. Nobody wants to know what each one of us want to do together. It's all disintegrated. Okay. Smart city is the one which I think, in my personal view, leave aside the technological definition, is the one. If I want something, I get information to do that. It's a power to do it. As simple as this. Forget about surveillance, forget about water, transportation, everything. We can talk internally about what we are trying to do. It's our housekeeping. It's our responsibility to do the housekeeping. I'm sorry, but government departments, if they're doing their work, it's their housekeeping. It's not citizen services. They are supposed to actually do that. What citizens are supposed to get is my road clean? I actually come Mumbai every time, and it's a forget about Mumbai, any other city. It's a beautiful construction goes on. The amazing roads are laid, but when the road is laid, the next of it is the entire dirt and the concrete left behind. Nobody finishes the job properly. Okay, is the city smart? Is the road smart? It's not. So what are we talking about smart city? Surveillance. We are talking about safety and security and surveillance. And sir talked about GIS mapping of utilities with crime mapping. Amazing stuff. Memphis Police Department does the same thing. They actually were the highest crime rated county in US. And by doing a GIS map to be more sensitized about what they should do and what they should not do. Make the people smart first. Making city smarter is the last agenda. Second step, processes. Process is something in a consulting way. Process is something which is a measurable procedure where there's a key performance indicator for completion of an activity. That's what is the process. Now, most of the time there is no process, it's only a procedure. You should do that, but in what time? In what way? Which is the best? There are projects, a number of projects which are being contracted. And we were just having a little chat, and there are several other, government goes and contracts projects, and they give out a procedure-based contracts. A tendering is not a process, it's a procedure, because you follow X parameters. But do you follow also that the vendor who's actually going to get the contract, is he financially viable to even deliver that project? That's what is the process comes where you are not checking the performance indicators for giving out a contract. So first of all, you need to do your capacity building. Second, you get the processes clear. Final comes the technology. Technology is just an enabler. I can give you a device to do a chalaning. I can give you a device to do a water management. I can give you a device to do a women safety helpline on a mobile device. Those are technological. Technology can do wonders, but technology cannot do improvement of your behavior. Technology cannot do improvement of process. Those are two things which we need to do it. So smart city from my standpoint is something where the capacity building is extremely important. Second is you need to focus on the processes, get straight on the processes, make the performance indicators for every process to complete. Don't make it as a procedural activity. Don't make it as a bureaucratic activity. And finally is the technology. In the technology, don't look at from what database to use. Don't look at what server to be used. You have to look at what SLAs needs to govern and give me my best output. If you are saying that I want to actually do best to my citizen, forget about technology. And if you say you know your department well, the technology guys know the technology well. So if you want to fuse it together and make it as a smart project, then only talk about your processes, capacity building. Let the technology guys talk about technology. Only focus on SLAs. Don't take out projects in which you mention that server should have 10 CPUs, should have printer with so many cartridges. That's not required. You are supposed to actually say that my citizen should be able to get this service in 2 hours, flat, done. Deliver only on that. Forget about whether you get Red Hat, whether you get Oracle, whether you get IBM, whether you get Microsoft. That's not the concern of the citizen. Citizen never looks at technology. At least in my non-IBM role, I have never asked for a technology. I've never known whether my utility bill which comes to my home is delivered through a Microsoft device or through a IBM product or through a Red Hat. I only think whether the billing is correct or not, whether what check I'm paying is going on time and I'm not getting a late fee. That's what I'm interested about. I'm not interested about technology. So smart cities is something where you actually make the smart people, smart processes, and use the smart technology. Thank you.